Cooking from home can be a great experience, but let's be honest, nobody likes a messy kitchen or the cleanup that comes after. This is especially true when working around a stovetop with pots, pans, and everything else you need to get a meal made. What if there was a product that could minimize your efforts while simultaneously keeping your stovetop clean and organized? Introducing the LidSitter, a kitchen accessory that actually makes the cooking experience better. The LidSitter attaches to virtually every kind of lid on the market, and once it's on, you can simply rest it on the side of the pot or pan. This keeps it right where it needs to be, without getting in the way or taking up any counter space. Plus, you never have to touch the lid, and the lid never has to touch the counter, so burns and inconvenient spills are a thing of the past. Liquid and condensation slides easily back into the pot, keeping the countertop spotless and clean. You even have a place to rest the cooking utensil so that everything can stay together. It's incredibly durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. The LidSitter was designed to streamline the cooking experience and consolidate space, all while keeping your surroundings clean and organized. After countless iterations, months of testing, and wonderful community feedback, the final design is here. With your pledge, manufacturing can begin on the LidSitter and shipments can commence immediately. Thank you.